Top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors. If you're tired of waking up in the middle of the night with painful leg cramps or struggling with muscle stiffness that makes moving around a challenge, this video is for you. Today, we're revealing the top 3 superfoods that can help seniors stay cramp-free, build stronger muscles, and maintain better mobility. We'll explore the science behind how these foods work, share practical tips for incorporating them into your diet, and discuss how a few simple changes can lead to life-changing improvements. Stay with us until the end for these valuable nutrition insights. Leg cramps in seniors are more than just an annoyance. They can seriously disrupt sleep, hinder mobility, and diminish quality of life. Several factors contribute to these cramps, including dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and age-related muscle changes. However, emerging research suggests that the right foods can help relax your muscles, improve circulation, and stop cramps before they even start. Today, we're going to focus on 3 powerful foods: eggs, bananas, and nuts and seeds. Before we dive into each food, it's important to understand a bit about how our muscles and nerves work as we age. Our muscles rely on proper repair and recovery to stay strong, and the nerves that control them need a constant supply of nutrients. Over time, habits we once thought harmless can slowly damage our muscle tissue and even disrupt nerve signals, which may lead to frequent cramps. With the proper diet, however, you can actively support muscle recovery and nerve function, which means fewer cramps and a healthier, more active lifestyle. Let's start by discussing eggs, a nutrient powerhouse that plays a vital role in muscle. Powerhouse for muscle repair eggs are more than a common breakfast food. They're a compact source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients that support muscle repair and maintenance. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass through a process known as sarcopenia, making us more susceptible to fatigue, weakness, and painful cramps. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids that our muscles need for repair. In fact, one large egg delivers approximately 6 grams of protein, which helps rebuild muscle fibers and reduce fatigue after daily wear and tear. But the benefits of eggs don't stop at protein. Egg yolks contain vitamin D, a nutrient crucial for calcium absorption and proper muscle contraction. Without enough vitamin D, our muscles may not function correctly, leading to weakness and cramping. Many older adults spend less time outdoors, which can reduce natural vitamin D production. Incorporating eggs into your diet helps offset this deficit, though one egg provides only about 40 IU of vitamin D. For seniors, reaching the recommended intake of 800 to 1,000 IU may require pairing eggs with fortified dairy products or fatty fish, or even considering a supplement when necessary. Another significant benefit of eggs is their contribution of vitamin B12. This vitamin is essential for nerve function and proper communication between nerves and muscles. Low levels of B12 can lead to impaired nerve signals, which may result in muscle spasms and cramps. Seniors are particularly prone to B12 deficiency due to changes in digestion, medications, or dietary restrictions. Eggs are an excellent, easily digestible source of B12 and choline, helping maintain nerve insulation and effective muscle signaling. Research has shown that seniors who regularly include eggs in their diet tend to experience fewer cramps and improved muscle endurance. When planning your meals, consider the balance of nutrients eggs provide. For many seniors, moderate egg consumption, about 6 to 7 eggs per week, is considered safe and beneficial. If you have concerns regarding cholesterol or specific health conditions, consult your doctor about incorporating more egg whites or pairing eggs with a heart-healthy diet. In summary, eggs serve as an accessible and effective way to support muscle repair, reduce fatigue, and prevent the onset of cramps. Bananas, nature's source of potassium and magnesium. A fruit celebrated for its high levels of potassium, which is essential for muscle function. Potassium plays a critical role in regulating muscle contractions and nerve signals. When your body lacks adequate potassium, a condition known as hypokalemia, your muscles may become overly excitable, leading to painful cramps and spasms. One medium banana contains about 420 milligrams of potassium, roughly 12% of the daily recommended intake for many seniors. By maintaining proper potassium levels, bananas help ensure that your muscles contract smoothly and efficiently, reducing the likelihood of cramping. In addition to potassium, bananas also provide magnesium, another crucial mineral for muscle. Magnesium helps reduce muscle excitability and supports the production of ATP, the energy source for muscle contractions. Low magnesium levels are linked to increased muscle tightness and cramping. While a single banana offers around 32 milliliters of magnesium, its role in promoting muscle relaxation is significant when combined with other dietary sources of this mineral. Bananas also deliver vitamin B6, a nutrient that supports nerve function by helping regulate neurotransmitters involved in muscle movement. Adequate B6 levels can reduce inflammation and promote faster muscle recovery after physical activity. For seniors who frequently experience leg cramps, consuming a banana as part of a balanced meal or as a pre-bedtime snack can help stabilize electrolytes and promote better muscle function. For most older adults, 1 banana per day is sufficient, though some who experience frequent cramps may benefit from 2 daily. If you have diabetes or need to monitor blood sugar levels, pair bananas with fiber-rich foods like whole grains or nuts to prevent spikes. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Bananas, with their natural sugars and water content, help maintain hydration and electrolyte balance. For optimal results, enjoy bananas along with a healthy fluid intake, whether that's water or a natural electrolyte drink like coconut water. Nuts and seeds, the micronutrient marvels. Rounding out our top 3 superfoods are nuts and seeds, which are small in size but mighty in nutritional impact. They're loaded with essential minerals, healthy fats, and protein, making them a perfect complement to eggs and bananas in supporting muscle health. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of magnesium and potassium, both vital for muscle relaxation and nerve function. For example, a 1-ounce serving of pumpkin seeds provides about 168 milligrams of magnesium, while an ounce of almonds delivers roughly 77 milliliters. Pistachios, another great option, offer around 290 milliliters of potassium per ounce. These nutrients work together to help restore electrolyte balance, reduce inflammation, and ensure smooth muscle contractions. Inflammation in muscles can lead to stiffness and cramps, and the antioxidants found in many nuts and seeds help combat that oxidative stress, promoting quicker recovery and enhanced muscle performance. In addition to minerals, nuts and seeds contribute protein and healthy fats. These fats are crucial for maintaining good circulation, which in turn helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Improved blood flow supports muscle recovery and reduces the risk of cramping. Whether it's walnuts with their anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, cashews with their beneficial monounsaturated fats, or almonds that provide both magnesium and potassium, a small handful of these foods can make a big difference in muscle function. It's important to practice portion control with nuts and seeds as they are calorie-dense. A modest daily serving, about 1 ounce or roughly 20 almonds, provides substantial nutritional benefits without leading to excessive calorie intake. For seniors, adding a small handful of unsalted, raw, or dry-roasted nuts or sprinkling seeds over meals can help ensure you get the necessary minerals to prevent cramps. If you have allergies, consider alternative magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens or legumes. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment, sharing your experiences or any questions you might have.